Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today we want to solve for x and y. We want to solve for the value of x and y when given 2 to the power of x times 5 to the power of y is equals to 10 to the power of x, and we want to solve using this equation. So we will begin by dividing any term on both sides. You can decide to divide 2 to the power of x, or 5 to the power of y, or 10 to the power of x. So let us divide 10 to the power of x on this side and 10 to the power of x on this side. So this and this will cancel and we will remain with 1. So 2 to the power of x times 5 to the power of y is equals to 1. Divide by 10 to the power of x. So if you can remember this rule, when we have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is the same as writing ab to the power of m. Okay, so our terms here are the same, but our bases are different. We will write it as a b to the power of m. So I can write 2 divide by 10, 2 over 10, all this to the power of x times 5y is equals to 1, right? So my next step, I'm going to write 2 over 10. This is the same as a fifth. All this to the power of x times 5y is equals to 1, right? So here I can divide both sides by 5 to the power of 1 and this side 5 to the power of y. So this and this will cancel and I will remain with 1 over 5x to the power of x is equals to 1 over 5 to the power of y. So if you can remember this rule, if I have 1 over am, 1 over a to the power of m, I can as well write it as 1 over a to the power of m, bringing this power here. So this is what you're going to do to y. So this will be 1 over 5x, this is to the power of x, is equals to 1 over 5, all this to the power of y. This one, I've applied this rule. So our bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. Remember that when our bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. So x is equals to y, and this is our final answer. X is equals to y. So this means that x and y are any real numbers. X and y are any real numbers. This means if we take any certain number, let's say 3, we should satisfy this equation, the above equation. If we take 3, -3, or negative or positive 2, or any number, any real number, if we take -5 or positive 5, should satisfy the above equation. So let's try and check. This was our equation. 2 to the power of x times 5 to the power of y is equals to 10 to the power of x. So if I take -3 and substitute it with x and y, I should satisfy this equation. So let us check and confirm. 2 to the power of -3 times 5 to the power of -3 is equals to 10 to the power of -3. Remember, x is equals to y. If x is -3, y is also -3, right? So let us confirm using our calculator. 2 to the power of negative 3, it's 0.125 times 5 to the power of negative 3, this is 0.008, is equals to 10 to the power of negative 3, this is 0.001. So if you multiply this, you are getting 0.001 is equals to 0.001. So this x is equals to negative 3 satisfies the equation, and y is equals to negative 3 and x is equals to negative 3. That statement is true. Let's then try with the positive. If we say x is equals to negative 3, positive 3, sorry, y is equals to 3. Right? So let us try and check if it satisfies the equation. So 2 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 10 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times 5 to the power of 3, it's 125 is equals to 10 to the power of 3, this is 1000. 8 times 125, this gives us 1000 is equals to 1000. So our left side and our right hand side are the same, meaning it satisfies the equation. So you can try it using any other number, may it be negative 1 or positive 1, negative 7 or 7, a positive or any other real number. You will get it satisfies the equation. So x is equals to y was our correct value. X is equals to y was our final answer. So remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye bye.